Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Dee Dee and I love to give unsolicited advice about fashion, makeup, hair, and you know, stuff. So an interesting thing happened the other day. I had a company reach out to me. They are a new styling subscription box and they were like, we want to style you. So I said, okay. Let's try it. So they sent me the box and it arrived today and I'm going to share it with you. They need a little help with their packing though. It looks a little dinky. Really cute unicorn on there. Poor unicorn. Oh, the leg stayed on. Oh, look at that. A cute little letter, probably. And look how adorable this is packaged. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna read this letter. Hey Dee Dee. I heard you were looking for some fun spring items to add to your collection. I picked out a few items that I think are going to make you pee your pants, or whatever, you know? Based on your Pinterest board, we've noticed that you have an obsession with fairies. I hate to break it to you, but they really do not exist. However, I can try to help you look like one. Wings not included. Oh, they don't exist. What's next? There's another. Oh, that's the price list. I don't want to look at that. All right. For the first package, isn't that cute? Look at those pretty colors. It's like opening up gifts, right? What's this? What's this? Oh my goodness, what is this? This is, oh my goodness, how cute. Is it a tunic or a dress? I think it's a dress. It's a WAYF dress. It's like a baby doll dress. Oh my gosh. It has pockets. I mean, how can you not love pockets? This is so cute. Oh my God, look at the back. I hope it fits. It's so cute. I've never seen anything like this before. All right, what is this? This is called, what is this? Minor variations are a part of my charm. Oh, it's handmade. Oh my God. Oh my friggin' God. It is a kimono. Oh my goodness. And look at those colors. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to try this on. Oh my. It's gorgeous. Wow. I'm really impressed. Ooh, what's this? Look, I got a castle. Isn't it cute? Let's see what's in here. All right, we've got Levi's. Wedgie straight. High rise, snug through hip and thigh. So I've been trying to get like jeans like this in white and they delivered. Levi's. I haven't had much luck with Levi's. However, we'll try these on. And then what's this? I like the color. It's a dress! Look at this! Oh, this looks great. This is like very flowy and beachy and you can wear it. I think it's a cover-up kind of dress. Oh, it has pockets too. Oh my God. Oh God. This is just, hope it fits. Next. All right, I think this is the last package. There's a mermaid on here. Yes, mermaids are cool too. Don't tell me they don't exist. That would make me really sad. Oh, another pair of jeans, and they're gray. I have been looking for gray boyfriend jeans. Yeah, these are from PILCRO. A little distressing, but not too much. Boyfriend jeans. They look a little big. I hope they fit. And last but not least, oh, look at that. A cute little t-shirt. Oh, it's like a little crop t-shirt. That's easy going. I don't mind that. And the color is really pretty. Those are 6 items and I'm gonna go try them all and I'll be right back. This is the first item and it's called the WAYF Ripton puff sleeve baby doll dress in mauve and hello pockets. I love it. I absolutely love how this fits. And I love the color. And look, it has lining underneath, so whichever way the wind blows, it's not going to be too much. Of course, I styled it with my cowboy boots because I love cowboy boots, and this is going to be such a great date night dress. And it's also fun like to wear to like a baby shower or a luncheon with girlfriends. Yay! Oh, this dress is $69, which I think is a steal, especially because this is all cotton. It'll be nice and cool in the summer. I just am in love with this dress. See you in a minute. So this is outfit number 2. These are PILCRO the Borrowed Boyfriend jeans. Does it mean you borrowed someone's boyfriend or you borrowed your boyfriend's jeans? Sounds suspicious either way. Anywho, they're very comfortable. They're nice and soft. I love how they fit. You know, just the right amount of give. And yeah, you can actually bend down in them, which is so important when you're trying on jeans. And you want to do that in the dressing room because if you rip them in the dressing room, you're gonna rip them when you go out. That's happened to me before. The price on these jeans are $138. I think it's a good price for these jeans. They are getting increasingly popular. The brand is called PILCRO again, and they get sold out very quickly now. It's like the hot new pants. So this top is the weethefree the perfect tee. I don't think it's that perfect. I wish I got it in a large. I got it in a small, so I might exchange it for a large because I feel like it's not what it looks like in the picture. Because of the picture, the girl was like, it was like hanging off her shoulder. That's not happening here. I wanted something that was gonna be off the shoulder. If I can't get it in a large, I probably will return it. The price on this t-shirt is $38. I wish it was bigger. That's all I can say. And speaking of returns, like I said, I always have bad luck with Levi's jeans. Let me give you an example. These jeans are size 25. Most of my jeans are size 25. Some of them are 26. These jeans are size 26. And I couldn't even get them past my thighs. I think they might be a 24. I couldn't get them on. And so yeah, I'm gonna return them because the weird thing is I couldn't get them on, but over here they were really big. So around the waist, it was like, it just didn't make any sense. Like I said, Levi's jeans, I always have trouble with them. They never fit right. The jeans were $98. And for Levi's, those are pretty expensive. So you would think that they would fit better. You know, size 26 would actually be a size 26. Alas, I'm gonna return these. So far, the stylist is doing a pretty good job. Next outfit, coming right at you. I am now the fairy queen. All I need is a crown. I should order a crown. So this is the Frida kimono in purple, and check it out. I feel like an earth mother. It's very pretty and flowy, and I can just, you know, wear it with just about anything. And I paired it with this dress, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, but I love this kimono. It is absolutely gorgeous and it feels nice, and I'm just really happy about it. The price on this kimono is $128. I know probably some of you are like, what? But it's definitely worth it. It's very well made. It's handmade. The fabric is all like hand painted and all that. So there might be some discrepancies, but you have to appreciate something that someone put a lot of work into. And I do. Does it have pockets? It doesn't have pockets. That's okay. I'll live. And this is the last thing in the box. This dress is called the Brit tiered midi dress. However, I would think of it more as being a maxi dress. I did put some boots on. Normally I would wear sandals, but I need a pedicure. I'm not showing my toes to anybody until that has been done. Love the pockets. I love the way this feels. And I know some other ones were sent to me and they didn't fit right, but this is just totally me. I love the way it flows. I love the way it falls on my body, and I love the color, and you know, spin around, and it has pockets. The price on this is $98. I think it's totally worth it, especially because it has pockets and it's versatile, and you can wear it into the fall because it's this color that just works with many seasons. And so the example with the boots, I could wear like a big sweater with it and it would just make it really fall-like. So these are all the items in the box. Hang tight. I will be right back to give you a final recap. So everybody, it was me. I did my own styling. Well, I'm sure you guys would have noticed that. from the beginning when I talked about peeing in my pants, because why would somebody say that to someone? However, I wanted to do an experiment where I wanted to see if I could do a styling box. Who better to style me than me? Because obviously I know what I like, I know what fits, what looks good on me. Was it easy? Not at all. It was actually very hard. As you can tell from the results, even though I picked stuff that I knew that I loved and in my sizes, 2 of the things didn't work out. The one shirt was just way too small, and I am probably going to try to get it in a large or even extra large. If not, I might just return it. And the jeans, I think I'm gonna return them. Yeah, that didn't work out. But it was very hard to find stuff that I was like, oh, that's what I want. You know, I look on Pinterest and I'm like, oh, I love these things, but you can't really find them all the time. I had to go through many, many websites and many different search engines to find exactly what I knew I would love. And I had to make sure that they were legitimate stores, because sometimes, you know, you can get a little scammed on the internet if you go a little too far. Obviously, styling myself did not come with a discount. I didn't have to pay a styling fee, but I also am not getting buy 4 items, get 10% off, buy 5 items, get 25% off, you know, none of that. So that's also the added benefit of having an online stylist style you and send you stuff. What do you want? Come here. Come here. Say hello. Say hello. Hello! I am very happy with the things that I am keeping. They are great. I have to say it's not easy being a stylist. As hard as it was for me, I can't imagine somebody else styling someone that they've never met in their life. So kudos to those fashion stylists. You guys work really hard and do an awesome job, and I really appreciate it. And I think that everybody can kind of see that it wasn't easy. I spent a good month getting this together. Have you guys had challenges ordering things online? And if so, what types of challenges? Is it fit, fabric, price, style? What is your favorite color? Have you ever had a stylist tell you that you couldn't be a fairy? How would you respond? Thanks for stopping by. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye.